In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove blank rows in LibreOffice Calc. If your spreadsheet has gaps scattered throughout, calculations can break, filters look messy, and sorting becomes unreliable. The quickest, most reliable way to corral those blank rows is to sort your data so the empties fall neatly to the bottom where they're easy to review. Start by launching LibreOffice Calc. Open the spreadsheet you're working on or create a new one if you're just getting set up. If you're working with an existing file, it's a good idea to save a copy first so you can roll back if needed. Sorting is safe when done correctly, but it does change the order of rows. Next, highlight your full data range. This is important. Select the entire rectangular block that makes up your table, not just a single column. That keeps each row intact so values don't get misaligned. You can click the first cell in the upper left of your data, then shift-click the last cell in the bottom right. If your data is in one continuous block, pressing Ctrl+A or Command+A inside the data also selects the whole range. Make sure any header row is included in the selection. With the range highlighted, go to the top menu and choose Data, then Sort. This opens the Sort dialog, which controls how the rows are rearranged. If your table has headers like Name or Date, check the option that says the range contains column labels. That keeps the header in place instead of shuffling it into the data. Now choose a column that should always have data as your sort key. Pick something that's reliably filled on every real row, such as an ID, an invoice number, or a primary field like Name. By sorting on a column that represents real entries, truly blank rows naturally separate from your data. Ascending order works well here because empty cells are treated as the least information and will be pushed out of the way. Click OK to run the sort. Calc will reorder the selected rows, and any blank rows will move to the end of the sheet. Your actual data stays grouped together at the top, while the blanks are now isolated and easy to spot. Take a quick look near the bottom to confirm that the empty rows have been gathered there. If something doesn't look right, you can undo immediately and try a different sort key. That's it. By selecting the full range, sorting via data sort, and using a dependable column as your sort key, you can quickly gather all blank rows at the end and keep your spreadsheet clean and reliable.